I know I am rolling out a lot of videos today. You'll get them all week long, but they're rolling out today. Hello, everyone. Welcome to PastorKims Corner. Yes, it's me, Pastor Kim. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I know I am rolling out a lot of videos today. You'll get them all week long, but they're rolling out today. As you can see, I have the same outfit on and I'm doing a lot of videos. I might take that part out. But anyway, got back from my birthday trip and I had some packages. So I have an unboxing. I've already opened up the packages. This is a wig. I'm not going to open it yet because I'm going to do a video. I'm going to do my first wig review. Amazon wig review. I have 2 books, guys. This might be my thumbnail. 2 books. So the first book is by Eleanor Joyce Rowland, PhD, MSN. That's right. You deserve all those letters. I know how you feel. You deserve them all because you worked hard for them. Eleanor Joyce Rowland, PhD, MSN, and that is Lisa's mom, Carter's Eve. This is her mom's book, and it is All That Glitters Is Not Gold, Axiom, Adages, and Idioms by Which to Live, Love, and Prosper. Love it. Looking for an inspiration in your day? This collection of quotes from notable individuals will encourage you to be on your A game every day. Yes, I have a daily journal that I created that I've got to bring it out and dust it off, revamp it, and it's scriptures every day for every topic. But this is awesomeness. All that glitters is not gold. Let me see. Let's jump right in. Let's see what that says. You can't have a better tomorrow if you're always thinking about yesterday. Is that not good? Charles F. Kettering. You can't have a better tomorrow if you're always thinking about yesterday. And then it says, beginning your day. What does this quote mean to you, mean to me personally today? How will I apply this quote today? Who else should I share this quote with today? At the end of your day, how did I apply this quote today? What will I do differently going forward? That is so cool. You can't have a better tomorrow if you're always thinking about yesterday. All right, I'm going to look at one more. This is, not everything that is faced can be changed, but nothing can be changed that is not faced. James Baldwin. Yes. Mama Eleanor. Can I call you Mama Eleanor? Mama Eleanor, this book is thebomb.com. Yes. Not everything that is faced can be changed, but nothing can be changed that is not faced. That is so good. Oh my God. I want to read another one. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is so good. Oh, I gotta put it down. I have to put this book down. This is my kind of book. This is my kind of book. I have to put this book down. This is good. I mean, I read all these quotes in a day. Okay. So that was again Eleanor Joyce Rowland, PhD, MSN. So good. The next book is by Stephanie Glenn, aka Stephanie's 50s and Climbing Mukbangs. Okay? What the devil meant for evil, God turned it around for my good. When I was younger, I didn't understand why I had to go through so much. I thought that things would get better as I got older, but it just seemed to get worse. By the time I turned 17, I had experienced way too much for a girl that age. It seemed like every time God made things better for me, I would make them bad. I did what I wanted, when I wanted, and how I wanted to do them, and it left me feeling empty inside. The more I tried to cover it up, the emptier I got. The fullness to my emptiness had begun. My name is Stephanie, and I own my own child care business. I am also a mother, a wife, and a grandmother of 11 children. Oh, wow, grandmother of 11. That's so good. I'm so jealous. I just have to tell you right now, Stephanie, I'm so jealous. I have one grandchild, 5 girls and 1 grandchild. I like inspiring other people to overcome their situation. I encourage them to look up when they are feeling down. If you are ever feeling empty inside, invite God into that spot and He will fill you up. That's so nice. The fullness to my emptiness. Life will show you things you're not ready to see. Stephanie, I can't wait to dive in. Wow. 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 Looks very interesting. Looks very interesting. Okay, I'll be diving in. 2 good books to read. Okay, I'm excited. I'm definitely excited. We need a book club, ladies. Authors in the YouTube street. Oh my goodness. What's this? Oh. These are some unmentionables I bought. Has anybody ever bought any bras from Glamorize? Glamorize bras? You know, they're for like plus size ladies. I bought a purple. They were on sale, y'all. Oh, listen. Anybody who buy plus size, I don't know about y'all, but I hate underwire. I don't care. I know I need it, but I hate it. And at my age, I get to do what I want. This is a pink one. You don't see that? That's pink and pretty. And that's purple and pretty. I like to be pretty. I like to be pretty, y'all. So I'm gonna try these out. I've never purchased any from them. I'm gonna try them out and see. I do buy underwire, but eventually, you know it's true. After a couple of washings, you end up pulling that wire out, okay? It just, it's no good. It hoits. Okay? And I don't know. You know, with every age, there is a stage. And guess what? I'm at a stage with my age. That's all I'm going to tell y'all is I'm at a stage. You won't know till you get here. I'm at an age with my stage. I'm at a stage with my age. That's what I mean to say. Okay, so these are some gifts from me. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show them to you. I don't even know what this is. I like black, y'all. I buy a lot of black. Oh, this is a leather. Let me see what this is. By the way, y'all, this is from Ashley Stewart. Y'all shop from Ashley Stewart? I don't really shop from Ashley Stewart that much. They do have nice things, but I don't really shop from there. Oh no, this is a bad. This is not a. You know what? Yeah, I gotta do a haul. Yeah, guys. So that's the end of the unboxing. The 2 books, the wigs, the bras, the Ashley Stewart stuff. I'm gonna have to do a haul for that. Clearly, okay. But anyway, yeah, I'll do I'll do a haul, an Ashley Stewart haul, and y'all can check that out. So y'all have a blessed day and a purposeful life, and I love you with that agape love.